Welcome to the amazing world of Alphablocks.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
Can you guess the Alphablocks characters by their voice? The stage is set. Let's get started. Round 1. Which character's voice is this?
Let's get this party started.
Well done, it's S.
Let's get this party started. Sad.
Round 2. Can you guess who this is?
The Alphablocks alphabet song. And
Great job, it's a...
the Alphablocks alphabet song. And A. Where's B?
Round 3. Who do you think that was?
Is it I? Can you help me fly?
That's right, it's J.
Is it I? Can you help me fly? Jig! 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 Jig!
Round 4. Which Alphablock made that sound?
Just thought I'd pop by and say hi.
You got it, it's P.
Just thought I'd pop by and say hi. Pals, we must do something for S.
Round 5. Whose voice could that be?
D on drums!
Nice one, it's D.
D on drums! Nice!
We're the best, brother!
Dynamite, sister!
Round 6. Can you tell who it is?
Lovely letters. Let's settle down.
Well guessed, it's L.
Lovely letters. Let's settle down. Brush your teeth. Pajamas.
Round 7. Who does that voice belong to?
A bee. A bee? Where? I can't see a bee.
Brilliant, it's C.
A bee.
A bee? Where? I can't see a bee.
Not a bee. A bee.
Oh, I see.
Round 8. Which character is that?
And you're okay! Okay! Okay!
Yes, it's K.
And you're okay! 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 We rock!
Round 9. Any idea who this is?
No! I can't see! Oh!
That's correct. It's N.
No! I can't see! Oh! Oh!
Round 10. Who's behind that voice?
Oh, 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 oh. Oh?
Well done. It's O.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh? Oh. Oh. Odd.
Round 11. Guess the alphablock.
Now all we need is a sail. Raise the mainsail.
You nailed it. It's R.
Now all we need is a sail. Raise the mainsail. Right then, who's ready for some pirate fun?
Round 12. Do you know who that is?
Of course I can see D. He's there.
Spot on. It's E.
Of course I can see D. He's there.
No, C and D. That's us, see?
E.
Round 13. Which letter? Is that?
Hey, hen! You forgot your egg!
Good job. It's H.
Hey, hen! You forgot your egg! Help! Hey, egg! Come back here!
Round 14. Can you figure out who it is?
What fun! That was fabulous!
That's it. It's F.
What fun! That was fabulous! Funny? Are you two okay? I'm F. What's your name?
Round 15. Who made that sound? That's right. It's B.
Be on base! Blocks! Welcome to the Big Box!
We hope you enjoyed guessing the Alphablocks voices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun challenges. See you next time.